It is given that 1 minus iota x divided by 1 plus iota x equals to a minus iota b, and we have to find the relation between a and b. How we can find the required relation between a and b? Was delaying to know its correct explanation. Let us start its solution. First of all, we write the given equation. Given equation is what? 1 minus iota x divided by 1 plus iota x, this is equals to a minus iota b. Now we multiply on both sides by 1 plus iota x, right? Or we can direct multiply cross multiplication. Okay, then we get here what? We get 1 minus iota x, this is equals to, if we multiply a minus iota b into 1 plus iota x, then we write here a minus iota b into 1 plus iota x, and we get now 1 minus iota x equals to, if we multiply them, then we get here a into 1 a into iota x, we get here iota ax. If we multiply by minus iota b to 1, we get here minus iota b, and multiply minus iota b to iota x, then we get here plus bxy. Reason behind this is we know that iota square equals to minus 1, so minus minus it becomes plus. Thus we get here 1 minus iota x equals to, compare here, group here, taking real part together and imaginary part together. So we write here a plus bx, and plus take iota common from these two terms, and we get here iota into ax minus b. Okay, now we know that two complex numbers are said to be equal if their real parts and their imaginary parts are equal. So we compare here these terms. 1 equals to, therefore 1 equals to a plus bx, and minus x equal to ax minus b. Okay, now from this equation we get what? Find the value of x from this equation, and we get here 1 minus a by b. Okay, so right here x equals to 1 minus a by b. Let this equation first equation, and from this equation we get here, if we add b on both sides, then we get here b equals to ax, and add x on both sides, then we get here ax plus x. So we write here b equals to ax plus x, and if we take common x from these two terms, then we get here 1 plus a into x, and now divide by 1 plus a on both sides, thus we get here x equals to b by 1 plus a. Okay, this is second equation. From these two equations we have get what? Value of x. So from these two equations we can write these two results will be equal, means from first and second equations, 1 minus a by b equals to b by 1 plus a. Okay, now we multiply here 1 minus a to 1 plus a and b to b, means after cross multiplying we get here 1 minus a into 1 plus a equals to what? B square. And at last we get here what? 1 minus a square equals to b square. We are using here the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. And hence we get the required relation between a and b, which is 1 equals to a square plus b square. This is the required relation between a and b. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.